A title like, "Don't Feel Their Pain, Label It," sounds like a prescription medication warning, doesn't it? Let's look at what it actually means to label other people's pain. Lesson numero uno, tactical empathy. What is it? No, it's not a new military strategy or a Chuck Norris move. Tactical empathy is about identifying someone's perspective and emotions, and then, get this, verbalizing that recognition. That's right, we're talking full-on emotional Sherlock Holmes. By doing this, you're not just showing off your emotional IQ, you're building a bridge of trust and cooperation, baby. Life's not about getting charged, it's about staying powered up. Lesson dos, labeling emotions. Now folks, let me clarify. We're not talking about slapping a fragile handle with care sticker on your emotions. Labels should start with phrases like, "it seems," or "it sounds like," never "I." Trust me, it's not about you, it's about them. Pause after labeling. Let it marinate like a fine steak. Don't deny or judge the emotion. We're not here for a roast session, just acknowledge it. Lesson 3, reinforcing and diffusing. Now we're cooking with gas. You can use labels to either fan the flames of positive dynamics or pour some emotional water on those fiery negatives. Name the sadness behind the anger, or reveal the secret passion behind their incessant nitpicking. Why negotiate with limits when you can rewrite your own code? And for the grand finale, critical thinking time. Could labeling backfire? Oh, you betcha. Imagine someone realizing you're just trying to puppeteer their emotions. Awkward, right? Use labeling like a spice. A little sprinkle here and there to uncover those true emotions, not to manipulate like some third-rate magician. To sum it up, tactical empathy and labeling are your double-barreled approach to making sure you don't just acknowledge emotions, you get to the core of them. It's like emotional X-ray vision. So remember, don't split your focus. Be singular in your purpose. Get out there and make those negotiations not just successful, but spectacular.